When the sun comes up on a brand new day, you can feel your luck is going to change, and that messed up life gonna trade it in for something better. Call the boss man up, tell him what to do with that stupid job that he put you through. It's about that time that you had some fun and moved on forever. Hey, it's okay. You've been grinding, grinding, grinding every day. Hey, come what may, you've been fighting the good fight. You deserve to get your chill on. Come on, another day. Let's go. Don't it feel so good laying on the beach with a drink in hand with all of your friends? Isn't this the life that you wanna live, at least for one day? Don't you worry now, better things will come. Have a little faith, let your spirit run. Future is so bright, just put on your shades and you'll find your way. Hey, it's okay. You've been grinding, grinding, grinding every day. Hey, come what may, you've been fighting the good fight. You deserve to get your chill on. Chill out, you gotta chill out. Huh. And we let the band play. Let the horns blow, let the horns blow. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's okay. You've been grinding, grinding, grinding every day.
Once you bring them out, you have looked for trouble. Oh. Hey, let's clear the road. Clear the road for Cyrene. Once you bring these boys out, you don't enter one chance with that. I say let me bring them to just come get their haircut. Omo, have become an errand girl, ordering me around. Mom, can we get this? Mom, can we get that? Now, what do you guys want?
McDonald's.
You want McDonald's? One McDonald's. See their face. See them.
Please,
See them.
please,
See them.
please.
I hope you have your seatbelts on. They order me around. Wait for her. Wait for the prompt. Angela, place your order. Hello?
What's your order, please?
Yes.
Can I get a triple cheeseburger with a small Sprite and a medium fries, please?
Triple cheese, small Sprite, and medium French fries.
Angela, what do you want?
What sauce?
What sauce?
Sweet sauce.
Ketchup?
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup, anything else?
Can I have a mango pineapple smoothie, please?
Mango pineapple smoothie?
Yes, please.
What size?
I want a medium.
Medium mango pineapple smoothie. Anything else for you today?
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you for order, please.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, so this is who ordered Fanta? And then Sprite, Judah Sprite, right? Oh, then mine is mango pineapple smoothie. Oh yeah. This one is Angelo. Angelo, Judah. And paper towel. You guys take paper towel. Napkin. Take napkin. Me, I want to eat African salad, so that is why I didn't order. This is tight. This is tight. This is tight. I have to go turn. Gosh. to go turn.